2025, the Sun will reach its solar maximum, the peak of its 11-year cycle of activity. During this time, we can expect increased solar activity, including more sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejection. These events can lead to stunning auroras but also pose risks like GPS disruption, communication outages, and power grid failures. The largest solar storm on record, the Carrington event of September 1859, caused widespread disruptions to telegraph system and sparked intense auroras. The Carrington event released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, far surpassing the energy released by the most powerful nuclear explosions in the history.